Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. This is a nice 2005 Gmc C7500 box truck. It's 24 foot long. That's a big truck. Got the C7 Caterpillar diesel engine with only 103,000 miles, very low miles. Automatic transmission. It's in excellent condition. It's got a nice tummy liftgate on it. It is brand new. I just had that installed. It's 36 inches wide, 87 inches long. It's got towing lifting capacity of 1,600 pounds. It'll go all the way up. Flush. Get the hardwood floor. I believe it's 91 inches wide in here. It does have lights when you open the cab door. The cargo light comes on. Up here it's about 7.5 feet, but the useful height is right here under this door, like 7.2 or 7.1, somewhere in that neighborhood. As you can see, it's in real good shape. Plenty of life left. These are a great vehicle. They'll last a long time if you take care of them. Get the light bar too. Get the towing package. Goes all the way down to the floor. Get your mud flap. Got 6 brand new tires. The Firestone. These are 295/75 R22.5. And they're new, all 6 of them. The truck's completely been serviced, oil change, fuel filter. It's got 9 steer tires, they're Firestone too. And they are new. Got rubber floor for easy cleaning. The vinyl seats are in excellent condition, no tears or stains or anything. Got room for 3 people. It's only got 103,947 miles. Windows, your power, the wipers control, the headlights. It's got AM/FM radio, ice cold air. That's for the overdrive button off. It's your light. There's your owner's manual for the liftgate. Pretty clean in here. Nice. As you can see, it's a Southern truck. There's no excessive rust. Frame is in good condition. Sides are nice. You can see where they had stickers, but yes. You can put your own stickers. At least it's white. There's one of these on each side. This storage compartment. That's where your battery is. These engines are very reliable, plenty of power. I've seen them with a million miles on them. Just take care of it, it'll take care of you. If you're looking for a nice box truck in excellent condition, that's been completely serviced with low miles, this should do it. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmilan.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, it's sold. We do have financing available, and shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any questions, give me a call at any time. It's toll free, 877-265-1679. Thank you for watching.